A digital twin is a virtual replica of a real-world asset, process, or system. It uses real-time data from sensors and IoT to simulate and analyze performance, predict outcomes, and optimize operations. In healthcare, digital twins enable personalized treatment plans, early disease prediction, and remote monitoring via wearables, reducing the healthcare burden. In manufacturing, they support virtual training, predictive maintenance, and increased efficiency. In the automotive industry, digital twins offer virtual showrooms and performance evaluations. Utilities and energy sectors benefit from virtual collaboration and optimized energy production. Real estate sees virtual property tours and urban planning enhancements. Smart cities use digital twins for infrastructure management and energy optimization. Technological advancements like machine learning, edge computing, and the growth of 5G and IoT drive the development of digital twins, enabling real-time monitoring and flexible environments. In the future, doctor visits could involve patient digital twins displaying updated vital signs for accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments, significantly improving recovery rates. Doctors will use digital twins as tools, with human oversight remaining crucial. Digital twins are transforming how we interact with and manage physical systems, promising a smarter and more efficient future. They are becoming integral to everyday life, offering valuable insights, immersive experiences, and sustainable solutions across various industries. Credits narration by narrators. Script by writers. Produced by production company.